राजस्थान की वीर प्रसविनी धरती पर कदम रखता हूं तो मेरा हृदय कांप जाता है कि कहीं मेरे पैर के नीचे किसी वीर की समाधि ना हो, किसी वीरांगना का थांग ना हो। मातृभूमि से कर्मभूमि की ओर गमन करने वाले प्रवासियों का मातृभूमि से जुड़ाव कभी कम नहीं हुआ। राजस्थान के प्रवासियों ने कुएं, बावड़ी, जलाशय बनवाए। राजस्थान के कई क्षेत्रों, खासतौर पर शेखावटी के गांव-गांव में आज भी धर्मशालाएं, हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल, मंदिर आदि हैं, जिनका निर्माण यहां के प्रवासी भामाशाहों ने करवाया। बदलते वक्त के साथ प्रवासियों ने कॉलेज और ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स भी खोले। अपने समाज, गांव, कस्बे और राज्य की तरक्की में अपना योगदान दिया। आज भी लाखों प्रवासी हर वर्ष इस पावन धरती पर स्थित आस्था के केंद्रों पर खिंचे चले आते हैं। आज का राजस्थान एक नया राजस्थान है जो देश दुनिया में अपनी एक अलग पहचान बना रहा है। यह समय है कर्म भूमि से मातृभूमि लौट कर आने का। राजस्थान की यह धरती अपने प्रवासियों के स्वागत में बाहें फैलाकर खड़ी है। राजस्थान की इस तरक्की में आप भी आर्थिक और सामाजिक रूप से भागीदार बने। आइए हम साथ मिलकर राइजिंग राजस्थान का सपना साकार करें।
देवी सजनों, इन वीरता, साहस, शौर्य, प्यार और व्यापार की इन तस्वीरें, इन चेहरों में कहीं ना कहीं आपको अपना एक अंश दिखा होगा। रूप बदलता रहा, चेहरे बदलते रहे, पर वो जो प्यार और अपने देश के प्रति समर्पण है वह बरकरार है और बढ़ता रहा है, और आपकी उपस्थिति उसे और सुनिश्चित करती है। ये चेहरे जो आपने यहाँ पर देखते हैं, जो तस्वीरें देखी, ये नए और उभरते राजस्थान की तस्वीरें हैं जो हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में अब और बढ़ेगा और निखरेगा। तो अब समय है कुछ ऐसे ही चेहरों को यहाँ पर आमंत्रित करने का। कुछ विश्वविख्यात हमारे प्रवासी राजस्थानी, उद्योग जगत के विश्वविख्यात प्रवासी राजस्थानी, हमारी मिट्टी के ऐसे सितारे जो जहाँ भी गए हैं उन्होंने राजस्थान की महक, चहक और पहचान को और प्रखर किया है। उनकी कहानी जानते हैं, सफलता की कहानी उन्हीं की ज़ुबानी, और राजस्थान के विकास की तरफ उनकी जो योगदान की जो सोच है, जो विचार है, उन्हें भी आमंत्रित करते हैं। इस कड़ी में मैं सबसे पहले आमंत्रित करती हूँ श्री निर्मल कुमार सेठिया जी को, फाउंडर एंड चेयरमैन एन सेठिया ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज यूके। एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के एक प्रेरक परिवार की तीसरी पीढ़ी का आप प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं। यद्यपि लंदन 50 वर्षों से आपका व्यापारिक निवास रहा है, फिर भी आपका अपनी मातृभूमि से गहरा लगाव है। And today the N Setia Group has diversified into many trades, industries and sectors such as security, printing and banknote ink production, sugar refining, power generation, tea plantation, unique tea facility, packing facility and also property investments. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Nirmal Kumar Setia ji.
Namaskar, Kamagani, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Ministers, the august crowd, ladies and gentlemen, I feel honored to be invited and to say a few words of my thoughts and my connectivity with Rajasthan starts from my early days. Till the age of 6, 7, I spent a lot of time with my grandfather in Rajasthan, and I have always believed in my community, in our people. We are the land of protectors and the warriors. What I have learned in my life is the wealth belongs to God. We are only tool for success and growth. The Rajasthani community has defended India historically. We have had great warriors, great devotees like Mirabai. Ultimately, what matters most is the unity, the good faith, and respecting the dignity of humanity. We have achieved a lot. Rajasthan has come very far, and we will continue going very far. It all depends upon us. We have to trust each other, and we have to remain united. There is no jealousy, because ultimately I believe that whatever we achieve is only a gift of God. There's a lot to do. There's a lot to learn. Rajasthan is famous for its courage. You see, we all human beings, when born, are born with fear and ego. But there's always an opposite. So there is an opposite of the fear also, which I believe is courage. And the opposite, to suppress the ego, is to have the divine blessings, the divine wish. I have great faith. I still have my connection, although I'm living. My family has been living in London from 1920. We were known as the first Velaitis, and we have always kept a strong connection with Rajasthan. There is so much to do. The land is changing, and I wish our people great success. And the only thing I will say, stay united, have forgiveness for any errors done, but be kind to each other and we will grow. On that note, I'm going to say my regards to all and thank you very much for inviting me. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सीतियान जी आपके प्यार और उत्साह से भरे संदेश का। और अब आमंत्रित हैं श्री अशोक ओधरानी जी, चेयरमैन राजस्थान बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशनल ग्रुप, दुबई, यूएई। अपने परिवार का पालन करने के लिए आप छोटी उम्र में ही दुबई चले गए और देखते ही देखते छोटे से शुरुआत करते हुए आपने कंपनियों का एक समूह खड़ा कर दिया। अशोक ओधरानी जी परोपकारी पहलों के भी समर्थक हैं। सामुदायिक सेवा के साथ व्यावसायिक उत्कृष्टता का आप प्रतीक हैं।
खमा घणी, मेरा सादर नमस्कार राज्यपाल महोदय को, चीफ मिनिस्टर जी भजनलाल जी शर्मा को और सभी मंत्रीगण और डिग्नेटरीज जहां बैठे हैं उन सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार और मेरे सभी प्रवासी भाईजनों को। It is a great honor and privilege to me to standing on this dais today sharing my thoughts under the patronage of Rajasthan government, along with global NRR investors, businessmen, professionals, delegates, dignitaries in today's NRR conclave. I congratulate Honorable हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhajan Lal ji Sharma for leading Rising Rajasthan in an exemplary way, along with Shri Colonel Rajyavardhan ji Rathore, Minister for Industries, and हमारी dear Dr. Manisha Arora ji, Commissioner, Rajasthani Foundation. Rising Rajasthan, I must acknowledge the passion and the response from the Rising Rajasthan Summit team has been paramount. To add this, during recent roadshow of Rising Rajasthan in Dubai in September 24, under the esteemed leadership of CM Bhajan Lal ji Sharma and Minister of Industries, Colonel Rajyavardhan ji Rathore, it was a testament of this continual commitment and reaching broader horizon and avenues. The Rajasthan Investment Promotion Scheme 2024 has been a hallmark of an initiative of the government of Rajasthan. I personally gone through RIPS 24 and found it extremely investment friendly, has a competitive advantage and incentivization approach, which I believe will build the much needed confidence in many aspiring investors and the businessman. In fact, it has laid a process that has single point of contact for expediting the agreed MOUs and pathways for their realization. On a personal note, I would like to say that with the positive experience and confidence I myself had established manufacturing facility in Jaipur. In fact, I have planned to further expansion, and we are in a positive discussion to bring another manufacturing unit in Jaipur. This will be marketed as a Made in Rajasthan. I urge my fellow Pravasi Bhartiyas to consider investing in Rajasthan, also taking advantage of RIPS 24. Let me tell you something about my Dubai experience. I have been in Dubai for long. I have witnessed the extraordinary growth of Dubai under the leadership of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President of UAE and the ruler of Dubai. I would like us to draw some inspirations for the growth of Rajasthan. While we have a very investors-friendly RIPS 24, I believe tourism and travel-friendly experience can elevate and improve further. In 1986, Dubai commenced operation of their well-known airline Emirates with the 2 leased aircraft. Today, they have become world's largest and preferred international airline, connecting to the world 130 countries. They have over 170 flights every week for India. They take a travel experience very seriously by ensuring easy visa and fast-track immigration through e-gates. This has promoted Dubai as a premier tourist destination. Today, it's supposed to be #1 destination as Dubai. My request government of Rajasthan to develop an investment park as a Rajasthan Investment Park with a similar approach that adopted by the UAE as the Dubai Investment Park, which is an investment-friendly, tax-beneficial and incentivized-based model. I also wish to have a proactive follow-up for all the MOUs that are there in the place. Little bit about my RBPG. RBPG, Rajasthan Business and Professional Group, is formed in 2018. Currently, it has grown over benchmark of 1,200 members. We have 44 trustees who are eminent NRR living in and working in UAE. RBBG is governed and managed by 5 members: Dinesh Ji Kothari, GR Mehta Sahab, Kesar Kothari Ji, Gul Vaswani of Chaukidani, and myself. Apart from social, cultural events and festivals of Rajasthan, RBBG is working as a strong bridge between Rajasthan and government and NRR in the UAE in the field of investment, CSR, and our proud ambassador in Rajasthan for Rajasthan in the UAE. In the recent past, RBBG represented NRRs at Investment Summit in Rajasthan last year. It has also hosted eminent personalities of Rajasthan, including Shri Bhupendraji Yadav, Shri Premchandji Bhairwa, and Employers Association of Rajasthan. They brought a group there to invest back in the Rajasthan. With support of Indian Consulate, we intend to work for Rajasthan support its strong business and workers community of Rajasthan. Let me inform you that it is for first time that more than 60 delegates has joined here with this summit together with us. This has been within the Unified Assurance Group comprising of Rajasthan Business Professional Group, IPF Rajasthan Council, Indian Business and Professional Council, and Vishwakarma Professional and Business Group. I here speak on behalf of them with confidence. Yes, we want to go for a Make in Rajasthan. I wish Jaipur can become a Coimbatore of, Jaipur should have a one Coimbatore of Rajasthan where we have engineering excellence. Little bit for myself. I am born and schooled in Mahavir School and Maharajas College. Due to family compulsion, I had a journey. My journey began in 1967 at a tender age of 18, where the nostalgic being on a British India steam navigation ship for 5 days to reach UAE, to Dubai. Without the knowledge of business and trade and a broken English language, to work with a field of 5 years, that gave me enough courage to start my own business in 1973, Super Technical Enterprises. I am proudly can say that it was fortunate for me to witness the formation of UAE as a federation in 1971. To relate, what really followed success was maintaining quality products and the deliveries on time, customer relationship, and focus on strategic intent to continually grow. I am happy to see that these values today are hallmark of many business strategies and concepts. In 1986, our CSR initiative, inspired by my father, Shri Lekhrajji Odhrani, we inaugurated Monilek Hospital in Jaipur, mostly supported by Supertech, with no profit, and first kidney transplants were done in Rajasthan in that hospital. I once again congratulate Honorable CM Badan Lalji Sharma and his team for wonderful decorated summit. This is just a beginning of the era. I must also congratulate Government of Rajasthan ministers, their ministers and dignitaries who are for a unique and ambiguous commitment they had shown towards NRR investors, professionals, businessmen, and the entrepreneurs. Lastly, I also thank to my board of directors, trustees, and members of Rajasthan Business and Professional Council for believing me to give me this responsibility. Well, I, Ashok Odhrani, am deeply indebted to my culture, my values, and heritage from Rajasthan, which shaped me as I am today. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your commitments, and thank you for sharing your inspiring story and being an inspiration for many here. And now inviting Dr. Binod K. Chaudhary, the chairman of CG Corp Global and member of Parliament, Nepal. Ladies and gentlemen, his grandfather, Bhuramal Das Chaudhary, migrated to Nepal from Rajasthan in the 19th century. His remarkable journey from a humble textile shop to a global business empire showcases the power of vision and hard work. He embodies inspiration for generations, proving that dedication and innovation can redefine the possibilities of individuals and nations alike. And we now look forward to inspirations from him. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Chaudhary.
Thank you very much. Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Bhajan Lal ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Diya Kumari ji, महामहिम राजस्थान के राज्यपाल जी, महामहिम सिक्किम के राज्यपाल जी, the dynamic Minister of Industry राज्यवर्धन जी, जिनको अभी हमने सुनने का हमें मौका प्राप्त हुआ, Commissioner Rajasthan Foundation for hosting such a brilliant conclave. And I recall having been here back in 2000 when the first one was organized. Respected members of the non-resident Rajasthan community, prominent businessmen from Rajasthan, and friends from media. Khamagani, Ram Ram Shah. With your permission, Manna, Nepal ka 2 lakh